are gonna go for our exciting thing, which is called Mockup. Alright, so I'm gonna go to these two sites that we have. One is mockupdesigns.com. There are bunch of mockups templates here which you can click and you can download it. So we are gonna choose two varieties of our mockup. Alright, first is this one. I like this one. We can go ahead, but before choosing, let's have a look. Alright, I've already gone through the mockups, which one suits for our product. Let's go together. And another one is free pick. Alright, just type milk, something like this, or you can also say Tetra Pak. Something like this. Alright, so I have choose my product in free pack already. Let me just go back. This one, and the mockup design which we are gonna go with is this is fine. Also, this is pretty good. Alright, so we are gonna try to choose 3 or 4. Okay, so first is this one. Let's go with this one. Let's download our mockup, guys. Okay, let's let our mockup get downloaded first, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we have our mockups already. Let's one by one design them. Alright, from our poster. Okay, so let's go. So we are designing in Photoshop, guys, and Photoshop is it's quite simple to use. But if you don't have Photoshop, you can use a free alternative of Photoshop like Photopedia. Alright, so let's start doing it. I will take my rectangle and I'll draw a shape here, and I'll go back to my Kittl and I'll select the color code. There you go. And now we are gonna design. Mockup. Actually, I've choose around two mockups with different angles. All right. So one mockup is this one. I like this. I like how the structure is. Our second mockup is this one. I really like it. And our third mockup is this one. All right. So it's good to have a different angles of mockup. Now this time is with our can, and the Tetra pack, we are not gonna use it. So total we have four mockups, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. We have already completed our mockup, our packaging throughout the video. We have designed together in Kittl. We have choose our mockup together. Though I have did some changes, I have only selected few mockups only. All right, with a few mockups, same mockup, but the angles are different. And one is the can mockup. All right, and since I will be dividing the episode 1 into two parts, part 1 and part 2, and if you all have given so much of love, and then episode 2 will also come in this series. So much, please support, guys. Please give so much of love. Please support this video and please support this channel. And if you enjoy this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to drop a yellow heart or a yellow star. And thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next exciting tutorial.